Hello viewers, let's continue our LeetCode 75 series where we have solved 3 questions of a binary tree and now we have to solve 4th question, which is path sum 3. So what this question is telling, there is given a root of a binary tree and an integer, which is integer target sum. So you just have to return the number of path where the sum of a value along with path equals to the target sum. Okay, so what this question is telling, you just have to count the number of path whose sum is equals to the target sum. Okay, so I hope you understand. Let's understand with an example. So here is given a 10, 5, minus 3, 3 to 11, 3 to 11, 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. So the target sum given is TG, TS is given 8, TS is given 8. Okay, so you just have to count the number of path. The path is not necessary that it is passed through the root. You can take any path whose sum is equals to 8. Okay, so the first path is 5 plus 3, which is 8. So this is 8, and then again 5 to 1 whose sum is 8, so the count will become 2, and 11 minus 3, which is also 8, so you just have to return the 3. Okay, so how can you do this? First you have to check if if root is equals to null. You just have to check if root is equals to null, then you just have to return 0. Okay, and you just have to do int count, which is initially 0, and got a helper function which passed the root comma target sum comma count. Okay, you just have to do this. So let's understand with direct with the code. First you have to check if root is equals to null. If it is null, then you just have to return 0. Okay, and again you just have to count equals to 0 and helper root comma target sum comma count. Then you just have to do count plus equals to path sum root का left comma target sum, then plus path sum root का right comma target sum. Okay, after this you just have to return count. So let's create a helper function, void helper tree node star root comma int sum comma int count. You have to check if root is equals to null, then you just have to return nothing. Okay, which is a void function. And again you just have to check if root का val is equals to sum, then you just have to do count plus plus, and then again helper will pass through root का left comma sum minus root का val comma count. Again same for root का right. Root का right sum minus root का val and count. So let's run this code. Okay, it's target sum. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. There is a runtime error overflowing, so I just convert it into a long. In the same way, I just have to rewrite int into as a long. So let's again run this. Yeah, this has been submitted. Thanks for watching.